Hello, and welcome back to the AGF Design Studio channel. This channel is dedicated to all things hand lettering, creative tutorials, and product reviews. Today, we're going to be talking about lettering in Adobe Fresco. I've got 3 tips and features that you should know about for lettering in Adobe Fresco. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly videos. Alright, let's get right to it. Number 1, the clipping mask. You can use the clipping mask to add elements like color and texture to your lettering in a way that is non-destructive. But what do I mean when I say non-destructive? Non-destructive editing refers to any edits that you make that still preserve the integrity of your original artwork. Here's a quick tutorial on how you can use the clipping mask to add color to your lettering. 1. Create a new layer. 2. Select the clipping mask icon. It looks like a box with an arrow on it and is located in the right-hand side of the screen. 3. Select your color. 4. Use the paint bucket to color your clipping mask layer. Number 2. The lock transparency. Use this feature to add color or other edits to your lettering without adding an additional layer. Similar to a clipping mask, the lock transparency feature allows you to make edits to your lettering. But note, this will make edits to your original artwork layer. It does, however, isolate the artwork on that layer, preventing you from coloring beyond the bounds of the artwork. Here's a quick gradient lettering tutorial for lettering using lock transparency. 1. Select the layer your artwork is on. 2. Select the lock transparency option. 3. Select your color, or colors in this case. Use the paint bucket to choose a single color, or you can use brushes to color your lettering in multiple colors, like I've done here. Last but not least, vector brushes. These are special brushes that allow you to create lossless quality artwork. Vector graphics are made of points, not pixels. The other brushes in Adobe Fresco are considered pixel or raster brushes. This is a unique advantage to using Adobe Fresco. I wrote a whole article comparing it to Procreate, so feel free to check it out in the description box below. Once you've created your lettering using vector brushes, you can send it directly to Adobe Illustrator with a few clicks. Select the share icon located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then select the Send to Illustrator option. You'll want to have your laptop or desktop nearby when you do this. With this method, you're able to expand your workflow across platforms. You can easily send your work from Adobe Fresco to Illustrator in literal seconds. And it never hurts to reiterate. Working with Vector allows you to create infinitely scalable graphics that you can edit. Then you can have fun with it. Add color, texture, shadows, and whatever details you like to your lettering. Alright guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment with any questions you may have. Until the next one, bye!